everybody! Today I want to show you how we renovate this room. The first step was removing the carpet. Then we removed the closet doors and some of the carpet left there. Later, we removed the staples from the floor. The borders of the walls were covered with wallpaper and it took us a while to remove them. Now we were able to paint the walls and we give 3 layers of paint. Finally, we were able to install the floors. And then, this is how it used to look. And this is how it looks now. This is the video for today. Don't forget to subscribe and share if you want to see more of the renovations that we're doing in this house. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Bye!